Now I want to take us through some of the properties, and again something that we've got quite a lot of questions over, so it's something that we want to spend a lot of time on today just to make sure that the concept of the properties are better understood. So when we look at our item, at the bottom here is where we get our properties panel. So as we can see, we've got this first tab which is called fast line. So in the fast line, we've got a fast line button. So put item on a fast line button. This is depending on the screen that you're using, whether you're using a touch screen or a retail system. The button that you'll utilize to make this item appear either on the side panel of the software, or if you're using it in restaurant or touchscreen mode, on the home page of the sales software. So that's how you put an item there, is you tick this. That will put it for you either if you're using retail on the left hand side of the screen, or if you're using a touchscreen system, it will then show these items to you the moment the screen opens. It will be the first page in front of you. Okay. Put items on a fast bar. So this is something that is only really applicable to to bars and to restaurants. So a fast bar item goes along with what we call a fast bar PC. And what this means is, let's imagine a scenario where for this weekend only, we're going to have a beer garden and we're going to have one computer out in the beer garden. So that computer will be set to be a fast bar, and we want the person there not to be able to access the entire menu. He must only be able to access a subsection of the menu because he only has those specific items with him. If the people want other items, they need to order from the normal bar. So it's just a small subset of items that he sells there. So by ticking this, it will then put this item onto that small bar's item list. So maybe he's only selling beers there, or he's only selling beers and cool drink. Then we'll tick this on the beer or on the cool drink that we want him to be able to see. Sorry, just thought I needed a drink of coffee there. Now, that's all we got on this fast line. So just to quick recap, the fast line button, very commonly used. So any item that sells a lot that you want to prioritize by bringing it to the front of your sales screens, you'll put the item on fast line. For any if you ever have a function, restaurants and bars specifically, where you want a separate bar with only specific items on it, this is what you utilize.